Testing, testing. Great. Okay, so we're live right now for what's this for my session. Pretty much missed the Asian session, and yeah, pretty much missed Asian session. So pretty much trying to Asian session, London session didn't take any trades. It was on the chat stand, so pretty much trying to see what see if no session can pay us for today. So before we break down our chats, we're gonna go to forexfactory.com to see if we have any high impact news that would come out today. Today's July 14th. We have what's this? PPI. We have a couple of we have unemployment claims coming out tonight. Okay, let's see. What's this? Yeah, I think producer price index coming out tonight. So we'll see how that plays out. Um, Okay, welcome. Oh my goodness, 8%. Ready? Welcome to the streams. Bit of an issue. Bit of issue with this thingy here. Okay, okay. Let's see. So we have a couple of high impact news coming out tonight. We have producer price index coming out tonight. Also, core PPI, core producer price index, and we also have unemployment claims coming out tonight at 10:30. So pretty much at volume have volume coming in around 10:30. So that's 2 hours away, less than 2 hours away. So we'll see what's happening on the lower time frame, on the higher time frames actually. So we can see that yesterday's daily candle pushed bullish, formed a support just around the 1726 area. Let's just say 1726. Yeah, right there. Oops. 1726. Yeah. Current daily candle is pushing bullish. Sorry, bearish. So if you're gonna fill the wick, we have more pips. A little over 50 more pips to potentially fill this wick. So not bad, not a bad range. Let's see what's happening on the 4 time frame. Looking at as usual, we're gonna start with clean shots on the 4 time frame. Let me just push this out a little bit there. There, this one come here. Okay, looking at the 4 time frame after we created this resistance level over here at around 1736 140. We've been pushing bearish since, so created this resistance around. Yeah, definitely been pushing this whole of Asian session. So we're approaching this resistance area right now. This resistance area. This resistance area, 1712 area. So pretty much approaching this resistance at 1712. Not sure how we're gonna react off this resistance area. Actually 1712.50, right? Yeah. So now, not sure if we're gonna do a double bottom to potentially push higher, but we'll see how this four cannot close in the next 2 hours. So we'll definitely wait to see how this plays out. So right now we are right on the support level at 1712.50. So we could potentially see some bullish moves, some bias popping into some yeah, some bias popping in at this point. So I think our bias for today is buys, but we'll see what our confirmations are on the lower time frames. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's move this to the other side. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. See what's happening on the 1 hour time frame. So looking at the 1 hour time frame, we are pretty much right at the support level at 1712.50. So I think we just have to wait for confirmations to take buys. Right now we only have bearish candles printing at the moment. I think if we can have one solid close on the one of the lower time frames, like like the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame, then we could potentially look at taking buys at this point. Um, Yeah, like right over here. So this is a pretty strong support level area at 1712.50. We could potentially bounce off it at this point. Yeah. Oh man, I'm so tired. To be honest, I'm not in a very good mood to trade at the moment. I had a very long day to attend a funeral service and pack my stuff because I'm going on a tiny vacation tomorrow. So um, yeah, I had a pretty long day. We have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 7 minutes. So if we close below 1712.50, then we could potentially drive a little further down. But yeah, we'll see how that plays out. Currently breaking the previous 30-minute candle low now. I have a couple of people hopping into the streams right now. Thank you very much for tuning in, everyone. I hope you all can hear me clearly. Pop into the chats, show some love in the chats if you're able to. Otherwise, welcome to the streams. Uh, welcome to pre-NY session. We haven't taken any trades yet. We're just hoping to see if this support level at 1712 500, could hold for us to potentially take buys off this level. So we'll see how it plays out. Definitely looking for potential retracements. To be honest, definitely looking at potential retracements. Mm. Oh man. Otherwise, I think the trend is pretty bearish right now since let's see, since after NYSC opened yesterday, uh, after 1 a.m. last night PNG time, which just kept falling. We had a series of low lows forming, and we could potentially come up to make a new uh, lower high. I wonder what the catalyst is. Oh yeah, we had CPI that came out last night. That's why price has been falling. What's CPI? It's a change in price of goods and services purchase. Okay. To be honest, I'm not too confident taking a trade below 1712 50 because based on yeah, actually no, I'm not looking at any sales yet. Price has been overly extended. That's why I'm just well, looking for buy opportunities. To be honest, so we have 1 minute until this kind of closes. Just have to wait to see how it closes. Yes, losing power. Okay. Pretty much gonna be looking at the 1-on-1 time frame. So this kind of closes with barely any wick at the bottom. So I'm really anticipating some bullish moves at this point. So I'm expecting potentially a a bigger liquidity grab coming down to the bottom. And then if I see price coming back up, breaking the highs of this current candle, I'm gonna get in on buys at this point. Really anticipating this to be a fake out. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna get in over here, right over here. You have to be careful trading below these support level areas, especially with gold, because a lot of people are gonna get in here. Obviously, we have rejection wicks over here, so uh, my stops are gonna be at 1709.50. If it falls, it falls. It is what it is. Wherever this kind of flips, my stop loss is gonna be at the bottom. This is a pretty advanced entry, so we'll see how it plays out. Hopefully, we can get a winning trade on this one. There we go. We just flipped, but we haven't activated our. There we go. Just activated. Our stops are gonna be on the current candle low, and we're really gonna anticipate price to push up at this point. Here's our entry. Our entry is at 1711.55. 1711.55 right here. Our stops are right here, and we're really gonna be expecting price to potentially come up. Retrace at this point. I'm really anticipating this to be a fake out. To be honest, this fake out. Actually, let me move my stops a little bit down here just to give my trade a little bit of room to move. Down at 1708. 1708. I'm gonna be securing positions at this upper level area over here at 1712.63 because if this trend is gonna continue bearish, um, then this upper level would be respected for price to potentially drop a little bit further towards the bearish side. So this is where I'm gonna be securing positions at that point. Yeah, no bottom wick. Actually, we have a very, very tiny bottom wick, but Roger Kumaran. Welcome to the streams, Roger Kumaran. About to take an L right here. Welcome to the streams. Thank you for coming in to witness me taking an L. Appreciate it. Pretty much shooting against the trend, but it is what it is. I have a couple of people hopping in on the streams right now. This is basically pretty much an advanced entry. This is not recommended. This is a very high risk entry, so um, I pretty much I'm pretty much anticipating this to be a fake out. I'm very fluid with how I trade. That's why I'm just going off experience. So Roger Kumaran, uh, um, it's not too late to get in on buys right now. If I take an L on this, I'm gonna call it a day. So so when it reaches this upper level at 17, 12, 60, one move stops to break even. To be honest, right here. Actually, I'm gonna tighten my stops a little bit, just a little bit at 1709.50 right here. This is how I'm managing my risk. Really not anticipating this to be this candle to flip bearish at this point. Hopefully, it can stay bullish. I just needed to tap 17, 12, 60, and then I can move myself to break even and make this trade risk free. Shaker, shit. Welcome to the streams, brother. We're in a trade right now. Really trading against the trend. Hopefully, we can catch this retracement. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna secure position 17, 12, 63. Actually, 17, 13, 62. So this is where I'm gonna be securing position 17, 13, 62. 13, 60. Right here. This is where I'm gonna be securing positions. When it taps the support level here, moving my stops to break even. There we go. Our stops are now at break even. Now, if this is gonna be if this is a fake out. Oops, 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 oops. Right here. Now, if this is a fake out, I'm really anticipating this support level to hold. Sorry, to break. And then price can come up to this 17, 13, 62, and I'm gonna be securing positions at that point. There we go, pushing nicely. Pushing very, very nicely. Actually, I'm at break even already. Shaker, how did I know it was a fake out? Just based on experience, bro. Just based on experience. I might get stopped out at break even, and that's fine with me, You might potentially retrace a little bit and get tapped out at break even, which is fine. Totally fine, but I'm really expecting. As you can see, I'm really sticking to my rules. I haven't really secured any positions yet. So, but my trade's now at break even, risk free. No, the candle didn't close back in the range, but this is like I said, this is pretty advanced. Uh, I was really expecting this to be a fake out. Like I said, I'm already at break even. This is a very risky trade. That's why I'm very quick to move this trade to break even. So either way, I'm not gonna be losing anything. If this is a fake out, then I'm expecting this. Like price should be respecting 17, 12, 60. This support level right over here. Where is it? Right here. It should trade above it. But if the candle closes back in this range over here, then we could potentially have an opportunity to scale in on this position. That's if you don't get tagged out of break even. There we go, pushing back up. We can break our own highs. Really looking to secure positions at the point. I usually secure positions at 10 pips, but this is NY session. We have a lot of volume. That's why I'm really letting this run. Really, really sticking to my analysis at this point. I won't be trading tomorrow. No shaker. This trade is taken basically based on anticipation. Um, hopefully we can push up a little bit. There we go. Pushing very very nicely at this point. If he pops back down to 10 pips, I'm securing positions, but otherwise I'm pretty much confident we can push up to 17, 13, 62. There we go. Not yet, guys. Not yet. Haven't secured any positions yet. Being very, very patient with this. Very, very patient. Just to push up a little bit further. Nope, 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 nope. This is very bad. Haven't secured anything and I'm about to get taken out of break even. Yeah, let's go taken out of break even. Yes, sir. Hey. Yeah, well, now I just have to wait for this candle to close, especially the 30-minute candle. That's the first trade for the session. We're not taking any more trades. Really sticking to our rules at this point. Um, Not gonna have any FOMO. It could potentially come back up. Almost secured positions over here, but never really got triggered due to spread, so that's fine. No FOMO, no FOMO at all. Really gonna be sticking to my really sticking to my rules at this point. See what's happening on the 30-minute time frame. I usually secure profits at 10 pips, but this price here moved straight up like 20. I was trying to secure 20 pips at this time. Really aiming for the fences, but you know, well, it is what it is. Sometimes you eat and sometimes you don't. So let's just delete. Just update my trade updates first. Shit. Now this is some bullshit, honestly. If we come back up and break our own highs, I'm gonna be so bummed. To be honest, this is the 30-minute time frame right now. Maybe if this cannot can let me change this to green. If this cannot can close back above 1712,500, then I could anticipate the next candle to push up. Or we can wait for NYSE open and have volume coming in at that point. Pum, pum, pum. So the first trade was based on anticipation. So now the second trade and the final trade of the day is going to be based on confirmations. So we'll see how that plays out. So this first trade was a very high risk trade. That's why I was so quick to move my stops to break even very quickly. Because now it could potentially drive down at this point. Let's see what the forward time frame is doing. Yeah. Well, there we go. We could have a nice closure in the next nice closure above 17,500 in the next couple of minutes. 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes until this candle closes, so we'll see how that plays out. I think we're gonna have a very good trade happening right now. This is basically trading against the trend, but oh, there we go, breaking our own highs. Oh, fuck my life, honestly. Tarek, how's it, man? Well, I think I moved my stops too quickly to break even, and now this candle is really pushing up. Really smashing through where I could have secured positions at that point. I'm really waiting for a second chance to enter a trade at this point. This candle closes in the next 6 minutes, so I'm potentially looking at buys. Um, the forward time frame is was trading below this support level area, and it's currently rejecting off the support level at 17,12,500. So potentially, really want this to be a fake out for me to potentially take trades to potentially drive up at that point. Tarek said buys is really dangerous. I have sales on gold and looking to TP at 1680 if USD news comes in nice. Well, bro, it is definitely dangerous, but we've really been pushing since Asia session, so I'm really trying to see if I can catch a little bit of a retracement. You know, um, it's really been overextended. And looking at the full time frame, we're really trading around this support level area, so we could have potential buyers popping in at this point. So if this 30-minute candle closes back above these range, then I'm gonna consider this to be a fake out. This this right here, this price action right here, and then I'm gonna anticipate price to potentially push up. You looking to take profits at 1680? I hope you secure positions, bro. 1680 is all the way down there. Shit. Damn. Are you sure 1680? I mean, could take a while to get there. Thank you, Tarek. Appreciate it. There we go. See, push it, man. See what happened on the 15-minute time frame. Oh, I should have seen this 15-minute candle. It's okay. Now take an entry right over here. Our stops are gonna be a bit huge. 40 pips. Yeah, our stops are gonna be pretty huge. Tarek secured positions. Nice, bro. Nice work, bro. Where was your entry at? I'm really looking to take an entry as soon as this kind of opens. To be honest, it's pushing very nicely. Yeah, because of the fact that my stops are gonna be massive, I am going to. Hopefully, we can retest 17, 12, 15, and then I'll get an entry there. Yeah, if we retest 17, 13 at least, I want to get in at that point. Actually, yeah, this is definitely a fake out. Derek, mate, gotta make that money. I know it's risky, but alright, I'm really panicking. You're really making me panic. Hopefully, can push down a little bit. Push down a little bit. Push down a little bit. Push down. Okay, Derek. This is where I just took my positions right there. Over here. Where is this? 17, 14, 37. 17, 14, 37. As soon as it breaks the high, securing positions. Actually, just secure positions right there. Stops an hour break even. Ha! Woo. Mate, Derek, thank you so much. Thank you for hopping in on the streams. Appreciate you. I'm pretty much in profits for the day. Pretty much got green. Very happy with my trade. I want to see if I can ride this all the way to the top. We have a bit of a resistance right over here at what's this price level? 1770. So we might have price bouncing off this level. So I'm pretty much getting ready to secure my positions at another set of positions at that point. Otherwise, I pretty much get might get tagged out at break even now. Derek says he got two entries, one at 1744 and one at 1740. Oh shit, you're all the way up there. Shit. Oh, far out. Yeah, it's gonna stop that break even. That's fine. We could potentially retest 1712 500 before pushing up, but at this point, we could potentially. You're going to be streaming like. Are going to be streaming till the news? Yeah. I pretty much took two entries. One was break even, and the other one I secured profits at 11 pips. At this point, I'm not going to be taking any entries until the news. I really feel like price is going to be ranging a little bit. So we have the news coming out in 1 hour, I think, less than an hour. So right now it's going to be chilling. So what's happening, Tarek? How are you doing? Where are you hopping in on the chats from? If the USD news new in 1 hour comes out and takes the lows, then I think we're bullish. Yeah, definitely. We'll see how that plays out. We'll see. We'll see. Tarek is tuning in from South Africa. Shit, welcome, welcome, bro. What time is it? What time is it in South Africa right now? Let's see. In the South. What time is it in South Africa? South Africa. It's like 1:34 p.m., bro. Shit. Let me guess. Are you I'm still sticking to my 1680 bias. Uh, well, bro, we could get to the 1680. We could. Did we tap into 16? No, we haven't really broken below 1700 yet. When was the last time we were at the 1600 level? Let me see. Let me check these daily time frames here. The last time we were at 16. I mean, the last time we traded below 16, below 1700. I just want to see. Okay, the last time was in August, bro. Oh, you take your trades based on the weekly time frame. Very nice, bro. Very, very nice. Ish. Yeah, it was sometime last year. Definitely right about that. August. I just checked. The ninth of August last year. Yeah. We're trading back below 17, 12, 500. Really hovering around that level. So, yeah, nah. I don't know about this anymore. Yeah. At this point, not gonna be doing anything. This should be our no trade range. Based on the 30-minute time frame, we have a resistance just below 7090. So I think we're gonna have better buys up there. This right here is our no trade range. Oh shit! Actually, really bullish bias on this trade. Like honestly, which other pairs do I trade? I used to trade GBJPY to be honest, and I mean, I still look at it sometimes. Some of my friends traded, like my other brother Kimson trades GPJPY, but we basically stick to gold now. Um, you know, the chances of gold moving like 50 pips, 70 pips in a session is higher than GBJPY. So I mean, if I can catch 10, 20 pips of that, that's fine with me. But to be honest, um, I'm only trading gold these days. Gold is nice, but it gets tricky at times. I think gold is one of the most complex symbols. I think it's really nice. Um, silver, yeah, silver is very nice. So a couple of my friends trade silver, and they're very, very good at trading silver. I just need time to backtest it. I think I'm gonna do that later on, but right now, gold is like I sometimes buy physical gold. I sometimes trade physical gold, like where I'm from. Um, but only when the price is high, but not when it's below like the 1800, the 1700s right now. I mean the 1800s. We're really trading at the 1700s right now, so I'm not really uh buying any physical gold, but I'd rather trade it, short it on the using the brokers. Semi cable, no sound. Sorry, I was on mute. What do you mean you're on mute? Can't hear you. Shit. Yeah. See, if you rewind my streams, I told you. I mentioned we're gonna retest 17, 12, 50 before pushing bullish, and this is what's happening right now. So I think if we break our own high, we could potentially push. Then we have news coming out, so I'm just not gonna do anything until news. Start pushing bullish at this point. I was really tempted on getting an entry right over here when I saw this retest, but um, yeah, I was just wasn't feeling it. Yeah, Euro USD2 is pretty nice. I just, like, to be honest, I just really haven't had time to look at it. To be honest, if you have I think if you subscribe to my channel, you could potentially post a chat on it. To be honest, Semi, Semi Cable, welcome to the streams, bro. Bro, it's just or both. Yeah, I'm really not confident in taking any trades in this range at this point. We have resistance here. We have resistance there. We have all these rejection wicks over here. See, this is definitely a fake out. Definitely a fake out. If you rewind my streams, I got in on an entry right over here. But I guess I moved myself quickly to break even at this point. Shouldn't have done that. Could have been in a very nice winning trade right now. But no FOMO, no FOMO, no FOMO at all. I had an opportunity to take a second trade right over here, secured 10 pips. Price pretty much stopped me out of break even, and now he's pushing in my direction again. So I think for this session, if we can respect this level going into NYSE Open, we could really look at some potentially big moves during this session. But I'm all for buys. I'm only looking for confirmations to go long. Uh, yeah. Yeah. Derek, well, if you see any opportunities to take a sell, let us know. Let us know in the chat, and we'll see how it plays out. Cable said he is the Semi Cable. I'm on 98 subscribe. Oh, Thank you, bro, for subscribing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys, for tuning in. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for showing the love. Uh, appreciate it. Appreciate it. I have a lot more viewers during NY session than Asian session and London session. I usually trade Asian session and sometimes London session, but I didn't get a chance to get on the charts during this Asian session. So pretty much going to 10 p.m. my time now. So had a very long day, and I already took two trades. I'm really looking to see if I can get a third trade, but if I don't see anything, then I'm pretty much down for the day. Tarek, if you're looking at any cells, let us know. Oh, actually, Yeah, there we go. We have the hour candle closing in the next 4 minutes. So we shall see how it closes. Um, no trades taken yet. Really anticipate. Mm, oh man, this is the thing about having pre-NY like PG time. It's pretty much heading into NY Open now in the next less than a minute away. I think we're gonna have volume coming in right now. So we're either gonna push down, come back with test support level at on the 30-minute time frame. Let's just put something here. So let me just label this out. Uh, Potential breakout right here. Let's see the 1 hour time frame. Do I want to take a buy right now? On the flip of this candle, anticipating it to push bullish with news. Do I? How big is my stops gonna be? Uh, this is NY open right now. If I have my stops at this at the body of the candle here, do I really want to take a trade before the news? Do I? Do I? No, bro. It's 8 a.m. NY time right now. Actually, I'm gonna wait for this candle flip. This is our confirmations to this is our confirmation to go bullish. Close back in this range on the 1 hour time frame. That's why. Um, Actually, I'm gonna take my entries right over here. This is where I took an entry. This is where my entry is taken. Oh shit! Pretty much might get stopped out. Took that entry and went straight into drawdown. Alright. 17, 13, 12. Right here. Another trade based on anticipation. Let's check. NY opening up. You see, mate, NY open is at 9:30 a.m. Right? That's the New York Stock Exchange. I'm talking about NY because I'm talking about like 8 a.m. 8 a.m. That's when the banks open, the hedge funds open, the yeah, you know what I mean. So 18, 13, 12, 13, 12. I'm really anticipating this to push bullish. I'm not expecting price to break below the previous candle low at this point. I'm gonna be securing profits at 10 pips, which is at around 17, 12, 90, 17, 12. Yeah, 11, 12 pips should be good. Otherwise, I definitely might get stopped out of break even. Sorry, get stopped out. Pretty much risking all my profits I've made today. I'm really counting on this support level on the forward time frame to hold. Yeah, well, if I get stopped out, it is what it is. Pretty much gonna call it a day. What are you closing half, Sam Cable? What are you closing half? Half in profits or half in half your losses? Pretty much in a drawdown right now, but it is what it is. I don't care. Half loss. Oh well. Yeah. Where did you take that entry, bro? Did you take it? I think it would be best to wait for this candle to flip bullish, and then you can take an entry. Just as long as it respects the previous 1 hour candle low. So yeah, thanks, mate. You entered buy stops at 1713. Ah, mate, could have been at 1714. Should have given it a little bit of room to move. But that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We have to have. We're about to have this kind of flip now. Uh, I'm actually I'm actually gonna get out of this trade right now. I break even. I'm not too comfortable in this trade at this point. So yeah. Uh yeah, I'm really not comfortable in this trade. That's why I got out. Just a little bit in profits. Due to the fact that news is coming out, so I wouldn't want to be in this trade when the news comes out. I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. Um, yeah, semi cable. Um, we should really get out of this trade before the news hits. I took my third trade. I'm pretty much done for the day now, so I'm just gonna stick around and see if I am gonna take a trade after the news. After the news, then I'm really gonna go very very low risk because I've pretty much maxed out for the day with my three trades. I have two break even and one winning trade for the day, so I'm pretty much good being green for the day. Tarek says they're gonna take out so the 1700s now. That's a big call. It's a really big call. Yeah, I'm actually thinking of getting out. Yeah, you know what? I'm actually Feeling bullish now. Far out. It's pushing very, very nicely at this point. Oh well, jokes on me. Still okay. We're still good. Yeah, news in 12 minutes. That's why I got out. But Semi got out of break even. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice, Semi. Yeah, I got out of my trade too. Now you might push bullish, but it's just not too safe taking trades when news is coming out. Potentially wait for things to slow down after the news and then potentially take a trade. See, got out at the right moment. See, now price is just hopping back and forth now. We have 9 minutes until this news releases, so yeah, we'll see how that plays out. But pretty much done for the day. Yeah, but we actually had some very nice profits. Tarek, you don't see any bullishness? Well, you know, I'm pretty much in profits for the day, so I'm good with that. But hey, we could potentially head bearish now. See, now I was only looking at buys because we were at the support level, but I wasn't really planning on holding it for a long period of time. You know, the the um the likeliness of trades moving in my direction by 10 pips is pretty significant. So, whenever I get to secure positions, with high volatile pairs like gold, I pretty much like to secure position very quick. Tariq, yes, I have a Zoom link. Just message me on Instagram and I can send you the link so you can hop on the chats. Hop on the Zoom with me. It'd be nice to have you on. Discord. Let me see. Let me see. Do I have Discord? I think I do, but I only just opened an account and I haven't really done anything with it. So let me see. Discord. You know what, bro? I'll actually post the link on the streams, but I'm gonna take it out. So make sure you hop on before before I take it down. Tarek, do you see it? Do you able to click the link now? Feed the Street FX. Is that you? Uh, okay, no worries, bro. I got you. I got you. Oh shit! What did I do? Haha. Semi cable. Semi cable. Shit, guys. We have 1 minute until the news pops out now. Let's see what we have here. Let's move this back up. Move this out. This out of the way. Tariq. I can't hear you, bro. Just try testing testing. Just try do the mic test on Zoom. See how you go with that. Nice one, guys. uh, Tarek, what happened there? What happened there, bro? Sure, sure, bro. Okay, guys, we just have the news coming out now. And we're pushing bullish. I think Tarek's right. I think we can potentially break through 1700s now. Potentially pushing bearish. We have formed some sort of support level down over here, but it's a minor support level. This could be a potential fake out to potentially push bullish. The 30-minute kind of rejected this level, so it's pretty confusing. Now, if we start flipping bullish, we could potentially drive now. That's what I think. That's what I really think. See what I mean? See, I knew if he was gonna flip bullish, he was gonna drive up. It's pushing very nicely at this point. Oh man, I should have gotten in on this trade. What's up? What's up, guys? Um, testing, testing. Oh man, I don't think my audio is picking up on. Testing, testing. Hello guys, can you guys hear me now? Oh wow, I think it was the problem on my end. What's up, Sam? Yes, definitely. Loud and clear. How you doing, bro? Where you tuning in from? Yeah, there's a little bit of feedback on my end, but nice, nice. Yes, yes. Tariq, right? Hey, welcome to the streams, bro. What's up? What's happening? Nice. Very nice. Man, you've been in this trade since what 17, 13? Did you say? S- Oh wow, that is massive. That's a massive trade. Yeah, there's a little bit of feedback, but it's fine. No worries. You know what? I think we could potentially have bullish at this point. I mean, temporarily. The price has been falling since Asian session, so like I'm only getting in on temporary buys. But price is extremely bearish, and we could definitely take out the 1700s levels. I'm pretty much maxed out for the day, but if you see any entries, please let us know. Okay, that's right. Like if you're gonna continue bearish, I think price needs to retrace a little bit, right? And then drop a little bit further. Like that's if you're gonna continue this bearish momentum. But like price has been. Oh yeah. Yes. No, actually, you're not wrong there, because like we've been forming some sort of like lower highs since Asian session, so if and also lower lows right here. And if this is gonna be a lower low, then we could potentially drive up a little bit just to form like maybe another lower high to potentially drive down. So what I was doing is I was trying to catch this, potentially a move up to create that lower high, but I wasn't really trying to shoot for the fences. Because overall, I think price still has room to drop a little bit further. Oh wow, man, that is insane. Yeah, but during these high volume sessions like the NY session, sometimes we don't. It doesn't create that high low. It just keeps pumping bearish. So that's what might happen right now. So you took that entry on the higher time frames, right? The 4 hour time frame, maybe. Ah, that's right. Oh wow, that's even better. Yeah, that's right. Where you formulated your bias, right? Nice, very nice. I actually trade mostly Asian session and London session, but I didn't get to trade that early on. That's why I just hopped it on the NY streams now. Most of my previous streams, if you can, I mean, on my channels are basically just Asian session and London session. But bro, it's very good to have you on board. I think how long have you been trading now? You and Sam. Oh wow, yeah, definitely. Oh, nice. Yes, definitely. Trading is pretty much a lonely spot. So it's good to have some sort of, have like some people to talk to while you doing this, because we're always bound to overtrade and overrisk. Sometimes we feel like, oh, by ourselves. So the reason why I said it is streams to have some sort of accountability, like so I don't overtrade, I don't overrisk. Yeah. But hey, thank you so much for tuning in. Appreciate it. Uh, thank you, bro. Maybe you should get on like Instagram sometime, just so we can chat and like, Uh, no worries. That's right. No worries. Yes, definitely. I definitely think so too. I mean, I had my personal Instagram early on, but I did away with my personal Instagram and I just stick to like, my current Instagram right now is just basically to do with trading motivations. I follow all these trading motivation pages and strictly do with trading and anything, and like, other traders that would, you know, who post like valuable contents to, just to motivate me and stuff. But oh yes, yes, definitely. Yeah, definitely. That is very true. Yeah, you're very right there. I mean, I've unfollowed some of these traders who post profits only, and you know, even some very good traders out there. I just didn't, I mean, I still have to. Now that you said it, I'm after these streams, I'm gonna go and unfollow them because it's just all hype and sometimes make me feel like I've, FOMO, as you've said. Yeah, true way. Definitely, definitely, bro. Definitely. Oh, Sam. Oh, that's okay. No worries. It's a very interesting industry. There's a lot of pain, but you'll get through it if you stick to it. I think Tariq would attest to that. Oh, okay. Okay. You know. Okay. Yeah, no worries. You know, there's a lot of different trading strategies out there. You just have to find what fits you best. Um, with my style of trading, I've tried everything from swing trading to having all these other indicators on the charts, and pretty much came down to just playing charts, just playing price action, and sticking to one pair. I used to trade GBJPY before, but then I just moved on to gold because I have other stuff going on outside of trading, and I also have like a couple of business that I take care of. So I just shorten my view on things. I don't want to I don't want to have too much things happening in my head. That's why I pretty much narrowed my attention down to gold only. But you see how you go. I mean, I think the most important thing about oh yeah, Tarek. Oh wow, you're definitely right there. definitely right there. This trend is pretty strong. This Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be looking for buys anymore. Yeah, it could we could get there. We just need to break yesterday's low right over here at around 1707 before we could get there. Um, oh yes, that's the New York Stock Exchange. Yeah, you're right about that. Yeah, it's actually like during what time is it now? My time is like 10:48 at night. It's PM. It's nighttime right now where I'm from. So like 8 a.m. I consider it to be like NY open in the sense that that's when like people go to work. I mean, hedge funds and banks, bank workers. You have traders starting to sit on the desk and hopping into the charts and all that, doing the analysis. And but you're right about that. We could have volume coming in during NYSE Open, so could have a potential push. Probably take out yesterday's lows, but we'll see about that. That's right. The London Open. That's right. I see. Nice. Okay. That's that's interesting. Yeah, true. Very true. Yeah, definitely. Sorry, come again, Sam? It's right here. It's tradinghours.com. Right here. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, just pop it in the chat and I'll bring that up. I'm just gonna save this. Yeah, we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next. Oh, this hour candle also closing in the next 10 minutes. Okay, market24.com. Nice. Uh, uh, I know if you guys trading like full time or are you guys just using this as like a part time thing? Ah, nice. That's very nice. Oh, what do you use? Oh, okay. That's nice. I do it. I- I'm basically doing it part time. I have some. I have. I try to do it like max 2 3 hours a day. I have some other businesses that I take care of, like my own and my also my family business. So like I try to like if I do Asian session, then I leave the rest of the day to do my other stuff. Or sometimes I come in for London session and um, yeah, pretty much done by 3 hours, and then I leave the rest of the day doing other stuff. It's always good to have a couple of other streams of income coming in while you're trading because this thing can be like it's not guaranteed if you know what I mean. Tariq would know. Yeah, like yes, yes. Yes, definitely. Like how I see trading now is like, apart from all my other streams of income, I'm very, very blessed to have be dabbled in this industry where I can have just work 2 hours a day to add to my other streams of income. So that's how I'm seeing it. So I try to pay myself at the end of every month, and yeah, pretty much that's pretty much it. It's only like a form of an income source, one of my income sources. But it took me a long while to get to this stage. Yeah. Sorry, bro. Yes, I actually got funded with FTMO. Well, let me just bring the link up. I actually got funded with FTMO last year, but I got paid out like the first 2 months, and then I blew my account. And after that, because if I have to take another challenge again, that would take me another 2 months, and I just didn't. I just don't have time to do that. So this is my. This is. I'm just trying to show you my past. I passed my FTMO challenges and the verification last year on the 4th of November. So I got paid out in December and January, and then in February I blew the account. So yeah, just the thing with trading with FTMO too, you had like it's not. There's a certain level of pressure to it. Yeah, so it's. I mean, like if I went on a vacation or something, then I probably try to take another challenge because with how I trade, I don't really like 10% a month is not very realistic to me. So yeah, I just rather stick to my own live account because I'm very comfortable with the amount I set. I mean my risk limits for the day. That's why. Yeah, but maybe sometime later on, maybe in the next, I'll try to do another, try to get funded again, maybe towards the end of the year, if I have time. But right now, I'm pretty much occupied with a lot of things going on. So, um, oh, okay. Well, Sam. I mean, I'm not gonna judge you with your trading style, but I'm just gonna type something out, um, and maybe you can get some perspective of it. So the best trading, the best hedge fund returns 2020, 2022, 2021. So maybe you can get some perspective of it. So you see the million, you see this right over here, best performing hedge funds of 2021. Like you'll just like you'll figure out that they only make returns of like 12%, 17%, 20%, 23%. Can you see it? Yeah. So like trying to flip accounts. I mean, if those very big hedge funds and all this all these other professional traders, they don't really try to flip what they have. They try to how do you say, preserve their capital, and try to take breadcrumbs of the market until they have a substantial amount of money. So like with that being said, I think flipping accounts is not like the quicker you can flip your account, the more quicker you can blow it too. I mean, just based on experience, like 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 I've told you, I've been in this industry for like a little over 3 years now, but not as experienced as Tarek here. But like I've tried flipping accounts, and like I think I think it's not like how would I put it? It doesn't work out long term. Like you can have gains, very good runs of but then like what I would advise you is like if you're gonna flip those accounts, try to be try to put them in an account where you trade uh very tight risk management on, and then you can build that account so you can like risk 1%, 2%, like every trade and all that. Because like with me right now, I have my own personal live account. I try to do it in a way where I can pay myself a certain amount every month. Like I don't try to flip it, like you know what I mean. I don't try to flip my personal account right now, because it's like very substantial. So I don't try to flip it. I just try to get breadcrumbs off the market, and then at the end of the month, I just pay myself that certain amount where I've allocated, and then I try to, like they say trading as a business. I try to promote myself, like by upping the lot sizes, upping my risk, and that's how I compound my account, my trading account also, and then I end up paying myself a little bit more as the month progresses. So like I'm in it for the long term, right? Like you get it. Oh, true way. true. Hey, Tarek. Yeah, Tarek. I just got into a trade right now. As soon as we broke that low, I got into a trade, and I'm pretty much at break even. I just secured my positions, and I'm at break even right now. My entry is at 1707. Right as we broke this low, right over here. Oh shit, this is the wrong. Oh yes, definitely, definitely, Tarek, definitely. Sam, what were you saying? Yeah, I pretty much secure my positions like 11 pips. I'm pretty much a break even right now. I mean, my stops are break even for my partials. Uh, oh man, yeah, definitely running very very nicely. Oh, thank you, Tarek. Wait, let me check. Let me check. Yeah, I just secured my uh s- second partials at 1705. I think I'm gonna take I'm gonna target the my 1700 level right over here. Yeah. Oh, this is what you sent? Oh shit. This is massive. Nice. Tarek's really putting his uh putting his money where his mouth is. Nice work, bro. Very nice work. Right here. Very nice. Are you doing the FTMO challenge? Oh wow. Um are, are you like funded or are you doing the challenge right now? Oh wow. Oh shit, we have a funded trader in the building. Thank you for tuning in, bro. Appreciate it. Very nice. Guys. Tarek, bro. Sorry guys. I think I have to upgrade my Zoom. Uh, sorry about that. No, it's on my end, guys. I'm pretty much done for the day anyway. I'm just gonna let this run. See how it plays out. I might get I might get taken on a break even. Uh, yeah, just go take it on a break even, guys. It's not you guys, it's me. Wait. Guys, thank you for hopping in, guys. Appreciate it. Definitely catch you guys in the next session. I'm gonna upgrade my. Um, I'm definitely gonna upgrade my Zoom, and then hopefully we can have more of this kind of conversations. Cheers, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you, Tarek. Thank you, Semi, for hopping in on the chats and hopping in on the streams. We'll catch you guys next time. Cheers, guys.